Welcome. Today, we're diving into Become in Ansible. Think of it as Ansible's VIP pass, granting automation the permissions it needs to get things done. No more oops, permission denied moments. Instead, tasks run seamlessly across systems, making life easier. By the end, you'll see why this nifty feature is more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, so what exactly is Become? Well, imagine you're backstage at a concert. You need a special pass to access restricted areas. Become does the same in Ansible, letting Playbooks run tasks with the right user permissions. And the best part, you stay in control while keeping automation secure. Ready to explore further? Imagine asking for admin rights every time you need to install software. Annoying, right? That's why Become is essential. It eliminates manual interventions, ensures your automation isn't halted by pesky permissions, and maintains security. So rather than constantly knocking on IT's door, why not let Ansible handle it? Now, let's see how Become fits into Playbooks. With just a keyword, Ansible knows to escalate privileges, no extra effort needed. Whether you're switching users or running commands as root, it blends effortlessly into automation. Pretty neat, right? And don't worry, security isn't an afterthought, it's built right in. The magic happens when we set Become to true. Suddenly, Ansible handles privileges like a pro. Think of it like flipping a switch that says, okay, you're in charge now. By default, it runs as root, but customization is easy. And voila, no more permission roadblocks slowing down automation. Why restrict yourself to just root? Ansible lets you pick which user runs tasks. Whether it's switching between service accounts or using sudo for elevated actions, it's all about flexibility. Imagine it like wearing different hats depending on the job. Automation gets the right access at the right time. Become isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. You've got choices. From sudo for controlled root access to su for switching users, and even runas for Windows. Ansible makes sure privilege escalation suits your needs. It's automation with options, because nobody likes being stuck with just one tool. Let's clear up a common mix-up. Become vs Become user. Become gives you the power, while Become user decides who holds it. Together, they strike a balance, granting permissions efficiently without overdoing it. It's like picking the right teammate for the job. Security is key when using Become. You wouldn't hand over house keys to just anyone, right? Same here, restrict access, keep logs, and avoid excessive privileges. It's all about smart automation without opening security gaps. Because no one likes unexpected surprises, especially in IT. Imagine you're a superhero, but only for one task at a time. Become lets you gain special powers, admin privileges for a single command without affecting the rest of the playbook. It's like borrowing the boss's chair just long enough to send an email. Efficient but responsible. Remember, misuse could lead to trouble, so always check permissions. Now, if task-level execution is borrowing the boss's chair, play-level execution is taking over their whole office for the day. Become at this level ensures all tasks in the playbook run with elevated privileges. Convenient but risky. Always ensure you're not granting more power than needed. Errors, the uninvited guests of automation. Missing sudo permissions. That's like being locked out of your own house. Misconfigured Become user. That's handing your keys to a stranger. Syntax errors. Well, those are just typos that ruin everything. Troubleshoot smartly to keep your automation smooth. Think of Become as spicy food, use it wisely. Too much and you'll regret it. Specify Become user clearly, restrict unnecessary privileges, and always test before deployment. Keep things controlled, and your automation will run like a well-oiled machine. Let's see Become in action. Need to install packages. Elevated privileges get the job done. Config changes. Admin access is key. Running scripts with sudo. That's automation magic. Remember, use Become only where necessary. Nobody likes unnecessary red tape. Even superheroes have limits, and Become is no different. System security takes precedence. Misconfigurations can be messy, and uncontrolled escalation is a recipe for disaster. Always respect access controls. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. To wrap things up, use Become wisely, avoid excessive privilege escalation, follow best practices, and troubleshoot smartly. Automation is powerful, but only if controlled effectively. Now go forth and automate responsibly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.